Owners of the Ego mower have been asking Ego for a striping kit for a very long time, and it looks like they have finally delivered. But is this striping kit any good? We're gonna find out. If you have the Ego LM 2130 SP, these are the tools that I use. I had to use this T10 by 3 to get the original flap off, and then just the regular Phillips and flathead to finish out the job. The original flap apparently gets in the way of the stripe kit, so you have to take the old flap off and replace it with the new flap that is provided in the kit. Finally figured out that I needed this T10-3 torque to get these off. I looked at the instructions for model 2130 SP, which is what I have here, and it simply says to hook it here. I tried really hard, but I just could not get it on with the mower sitting flat. So I had to stand it up and put the hook on that way. Ooh, feels pretty heavy. So now that I have it on, I'm gonna put the mower back down carefully. I finally got it on, but it's not as easy as it sounds to hook this into this position here. I still have my lawn striper attachment on this thing. It's not in the way of this Ego stripe kit at all. It's like there's plenty of clearance, not touching it at all. So for now, I'm not gonna take it off. Okay, the lines you see in it right now are stripes from when I did it earlier without actually cutting the grass. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the grass at 3.5 inches. I did 4 passes with the Ego striper. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's what we have. Let's see if I can do this side before the rain comes with the lawn striper. I left this strip undone. This side is the lawn striper, this side is the Ego. They look pretty even keeled to me. But what I want to do next is I want to go over the lawn striper ones with the Ego striper, because you guys didn't get to see that and how it turns compared to the lawn striper. This is what I'm trying to beat. You see this storm coming? You can hear the thunder, but I think I can get this lawn striper on there one more time, or the Ego striper on there one more time, and show you that comparison or how that works really quickly. Again, this strip right here separates the two and was not done, so I'm going to run the Ego over this, and notice the control when you're turning with the Ego striping kit. I did it, but the storm is right above me now. There we are. That's the whole yard at this point, done with the Ego stripe kit, but I did run the Ego stripe kit over the lawn striper on this side. The Ego has a smooth surface. I've only used it today, and you can see how scratched up and scuffed it is, but I don't imagine that really matters that much. And I've used this quite a few times, and you can see the status of that roller for the lawn striper. It looks like you can stow the mower with the stripe kit on it. I actually put the kit back on after I stood it up, and in my opinion, it's not worth it. It's so easy to put on that you may as well just take it off when you stow the mower. How awesome is that? Ego mower owners went from 0 striping kit options to multiple options this year. That is so cool. Now, I ordered my kit in March, and I'm just getting it here in August because they kept pushing back the release, but whatever, it's here, and I was able to provide you a review on the kit so that you can make an educated decision on which one of these striping kits works best for you. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and finish prepping my seed trays here, but please, I am anxious to hear your feedback and your comments on all of the stripe kits. Let me know if you're gonna buy one, if you're not gonna get one, whatever. Let's chat about it. In the meantime, thank you as always for stopping by and hanging out with me on this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.